the human body. We shall begin with a new chapter number 8, the human body. Dear children, our body is like a wonderful machine. As a machine has many parts, our body is even made up of different parts. Our body has 5 sense organs and many other organs as well. So there are different organs in our body. These organs together do different activities. There are internal organs that are inside our body. We cannot see them. They are called internal organs. And also there are external organs that we can see that are outside our body, like eyes, nose, head, tongue, knees, toes, legs. They are all the external organs. So all these organs work together to do different activities. Now we are going to study about organ system. So let me first tell you what is an organ system. A group of organs that work together to do a work is called an organ system. There are different organ systems in the human body, and they work together in our body for it to function properly and keep us alive. There are different organ systems in our body, and all these organ systems carry out a specific work or a specific activity which help our body to function properly and keep us alive. Now we are going to study about the different organ systems that are given in our book. An organ system performs a specific function of the body. Some of the important organ systems of our body are the skeleton system, muscular system, digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system, circulatory system, and reproductive system. So first we are going to study about the skeleton system. Okay, the bones and the joints of our body form the skeleton system. Joints are the places where 2 or more bones meet. I hope you all know what are the bones. Okay, and joints are the places where 2 or more bones meet. The skeleton system provides support to our body and allow us to move. It protects the delicate internal organs of our body. So there are different internal organs in our body, and all those delicate internal organs are protected with the help of the skeleton system. There are total 206 bones in an adult human body. Okay, so the total count of bones in our human body is 206. Next we are going to study about the muscular system. Okay, so the muscles of our body help us to move the different parts. It is because of the muscles that we are able to move the different parts of our body. Like the muscles of the leg and feet help us to move, or muscles of the arm help us to move the arm. Muscles of the face help us to talk, smile, and even yawn. So the muscles of our body help us to move the different parts. There are more than 600 muscles of different kinds and forms in our muscular system. Along with the bones, muscles help the body to move, work, and do the other activities. And to keep our muscles strong, we must regularly do exercise and eat healthy food. Next, we are going to study about the respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us all to breathe. Okay, as we've already studied that air is very important for us. We cannot survive without breathing in air. So in order to live, all the living beings, whether they are human beings, plants, or the animals, they need to breathe in air. And the human beings and the animals, we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out the carbon dioxide. So the respiratory system help us to take in air. The organs of this system are the nose, the windpipe, and the lungs. So the air that we breathe in, okay, it goes through our nose, and from there it reaches the lungs. Okay, our lungs inflate when we breathe in, and they deflate as we breathe out. So children, it is very important for us to breathe through our nose and not through our mouth. What is the function of breathing? Breathing purifies our blood and help us to obtain energy. So that is why the respiratory system is very important for all the human beings, and we need to take in fresh air all the time. The next organ system that we are going to discuss about is the digestive system. The digestive system helps to digest the food we eat. So in order to live, we need to eat, we eat food, okay? So the digestive system, it is the digestive system that helps our body to digest the food we eat. It changes the food we eat into simple substances, okay, which are used by our body to get that energy. And this process is called digestion. Okay, so the digestive system consists of various organs such as the mouth, then the food pipe is also known as esophagus, okay, stomach, small intestine, pancreas, liver, large intestine, and anus. They are the different organs that together form the digestive system. Children, in this chapter we are going to study about the preliminary or the initial part of these organ system. As you will go to your senior classes, there in those classes you will study about all these system in details. But in our book or for class 3, we are going to just have an introduction about all these organ systems. So children, the process of breaking down food that we eat into simple form is called digestion. Okay, in the mouth we chew the food with the help of our teeth. We take in the food from our mouth, and there we chew the food with the help of our teeth, and this food mixes with saliva and then it becomes soft. The food pipe carries the food into our stomach, okay, and there in the stomach the food mixes with the digestive juices and it is digested further, and from there then the food passes to the small intestine, and from there it goes to the liver, then to the pancreas. And finally, the digestive food is then absorbed by the blood in the small intestine. So all this about more details about the digestive system and the process, the way the food is chewed and then it breaks down and finally it is digested. Everything about this you are going to study in your senior classes, but here it is only about the introduction about these organ system, that you must all know what are the different organ system present in our body and what are their basic or important functions. So children, I'll be sharing one more video of this chapter very soon, and we'll be doing only the objective questions of this chapter. We will not do the question answers, and question answers from this chapter will not come in your exams as well. So what you have to do is you have to read the chapter thoroughly and watch the videos. The first video I'm sharing today, and one more video I'll share it on Saturday with you all. So you have to watch the videos carefully, and you have to read the chapter thoroughly so that you are able to answer whatever question come from this chapter in the exams. I am repeating, we are not going to do the question answers of this chapter, only the questions based on MCQs or only the objective questions are going to come from this chapter. So read the chapter very nicely and watch the videos carefully so that you understand the chapter very well. So that's all for today from my side, children. Please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.